Shaolin monk strike back, boy. All I don't know where this scene. And I come today to show all some heights today. So all you need to share up the video, spread it, invite all my people and them. So they're coming in here tonight, people. I want to tell you something about Trinidad here. Now, I've been warning people, So, now I want my voice to reach the people here tonight, because me come to side with nobody, but I come to bring the words of God. This is the voice of the Black Shaolin monk. I have it. Black Shaolin monk strike back. Wang Tao by. Oleva ya body flying guillotine. Oleva ya body them following them by. I grew up around them thing by. No pleasant good night to everyone. And everybody that locked on here. I want all to know that everything I've been saying is coming past. I have some more things to say again. But it's only very few people going to be up with me. It's only very few people going to be locked on and understanding what I say in Trinidad and Tobago. So at the end of the day come, I ask the people and them here, here what we doing here tonight. We want to reach as much people we can reach tonight. Because I have some words from God. And people all we only studying. Thank you very much, Ingrid. Now I want to say tonight that I warn TMT. I warning the people and them. But all I could do. So, Mr. Ian Allen, I want the people and them to go. Go and give Crime Watch some money to go for the flood on them. Right? Go and give them some money for the crime on them. Not the crime, for the flood on them. No, people, I want to tell you something here tonight. As the voice of the Black Shaolin monk strike back, I want to tell you something. People fed up. People fed up and afraid to talk. But I fed up again. PNM thief, this one thief, government this, government that, Rowley this, Rowley that, and the people coming on the road so, and money lost so, and they make money so, 15 million so. I fed up again all them things by using it, plaque, and the country separated out. It's like an octopus. It's like an octopus. It's a UNC down the road, PN up the road, PEP so, this one up the road so, Criminal in the corner so, Ian Allen so, Alexander so, next TV program so, and nobody had taken the time to come to join. That is the problem we're facing here. So all you could go along TV program, fellas, Facebook people, and everybody who locked on here could spread the message and tell them that I'm not begging nobody. I'm not out to beg nobody. That's why all of you didn't come at me, we didn't call me, we didn't talk, because what I saying is jamming everybody. Because who UNC go vex with me, who PNM vex with me. But let me tell you something. I come to talk to the PNM and the UNC, PEP, and everybody that locked on in this country, boy. Tell them no, anytime they listen to me and get this voice and come and join and respect my gods and them, this country will keep going down. And it's natural disaster, that is a little pinch I was going and come by. When I tell all the people going and rob people by Anton Pope, you were the first man from the beginning, from since I predict sex disease, I predict by the zombie coming in me, Anton Pope, and when he hitting me, so go on the Facebook, predict this, predict that, and I getting on notice, I cussing and getting on Anton Pope a whole year ago. You're a finalist. I have my rigid way in me. You realize me a cussing nobody? But I come to tell you something here tonight. Where is Ian Allen with the main case and them Ian Allen? You're running from the case. You're running from the case with the man calling you, the man calling me. But if only give me a shot and give me the police and give me the vibes and give me the gun and give me the this and give me the that, but I jam everybody. Not by ignorancy. Not by ignorancy. Not by ignorancy. I will have the badge on them respecting me. I will have all the rankers respecting me. I wouldn't be no bad for nobody, boy. Everybody don't even the faggots to go get a blind because I know how to deal with them. I don't premeditate how to deal with them. Give them the chance, tell them what to do, let them be in the corner and leave them to figure out for themselves. They go figure it out. But don't be always coming and acquainted my people and them. Now tell me, you know, Rishi Jagru, First Lady Marine, and all of that locked on here. Spread this video rock bulletin and let the world know this is the voice of the black shoulded monk that strike back. And I comment for them in all categories this round. Right? Spread it. Or let's spread it like wildfire. Though this message I come to draw to all tonight, it is not to separate nobody, but it is to join. Join the PNM, join the UNC, join the PEP, join all of them crooks and them. Bring them on the table. But the reason why they are coming for, the reason why they are coming for Trinidad and Tobago, because they have cocoa in the sun. The reason why they are coming for, because they have cocoa in the sun. But I is not them rest of fellas, them who afraid to talk. So tonight when I come in and I start tonight's program, I want all of you to know, as I open tonight's program, people, I started with people say I put on shades in the night. Yes, I put on shades in the night. I'm a madman. So now as I start tonight's program now, here what I have in the book here. Now, bandits. Now, I want to right. See this here now. Bandit, government and the police is one. I could prove it all. The government come and tell you, bring money and change before December. Set a deadline for you. Set a deadline. So you could tell me is that somebody comes so, they put 3 fellas to put on a robbery. When they put the 3 fellas to put on the robbery, they send you in a place. And when they send you in the place, they call the man and say, hey, yeah, boy, they don't go down and rob them. It's something like that the government do. Because the government set up this money thing. Everybody keep talking plaque. But they set up the money thing. Set it up for we to have a deadline to rush to go. And you know what? Hold back the police them. And they badge on them thieving all the money, it is alleged. They badge on them thieving all the money, it is alleged. And when they badge on them thief the money, they give the police a cut. They give some of the police them a cut. By their strategies, by their wickedness, by $61,000 the woman lost. $67,000. No. I want all of you to know, all of you go and support Ian Allen, go and support Crime Watch, go in First Citizens Bank and play some money, because right now the flood will bring and all the bacchanal and whatever I bring for them to know that it's God run this world and not man. Now, I'm coming in to draw my point here now.
You might see this video and ask, just come up here now. Come up here, please now. Come up here, please now, and see what's going on up here. See what's going on up here. Stay here and I know you might see this video and ask, just come up here now. Come up here, please now. Come up here, please now, and see what's going on up here. See what's going on up here. Right? They know which way the guns is. They know the criminals and them. Right? They're passing and shaking here the criminals and the same matter police. Right? Under the supervision of the senior police officer, 2 murders. Right? And he walking with his chest high up in there, well proud about that. Well proud about that. He does nothing.
Where Ian Allen there?
Right? Nothing about that. All of a sudden he get amnesia. He don't know one of the criminals and them. He don't know one of the criminals. All of a sudden. Right? Why is that? All of a sudden, he don't know them. That same senior officer did.
But
So
Ian
they-
Allen know all that all the time. My partner, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You may go back now and tell you something. Trinidad and Tobago. You all studying them fella, them calling all the Punky and Baji. You and Ned spread the video in the group for me because it's only my supporters that I'm talking to. You and Ned, bro, spread the video in the group for me. Crystal, why are you here in your darling? I see a big mop man. Big up to the Ali family. Big up to the people who know, who locked on. Because let me tell you something. I did not know they was going to do this money thing. But it's the spirit and the God them telling me to watch out. Tell all you, watch all yourself. Plenty robbery going to take place. Plenty robbery men going and running people's house. I tell you that. I say all you people going and running people's house now. Trinidad and Tobago. Or them fella do the Punkin and Baji. You could remember the time when Gary Griffith take up a wakaman and put him by somebody's house and say beware, and the wakaman only bring him out the place. He could thief all the thing. He was throwing that for me. He was throwing that for me, people. This is the song where them fellas couldn't take.
Yes, this is wakaman. Here we go. Obolagari, 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 take this on waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Obolagari, take this on waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Happy hour over, you have some days to go. I trust in God, I want the world to know that people only talking and that make me understand. When Ian come and tell me you is a bisexual man, Obolagari, take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Obolagari, take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Is the Obia and the voodoo, you know where I'm coming from? I make 3 days in jail, you cannot make one. God has put people through some hard tests. Just like Nelson Mandela by waka access less of Obolagari. Take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Obolagari. Take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. You take my phone and you steal my computer. Real stress and chutney with the waka. But all how we a fight man say beware of a waka thief. I still going and jam your boy and we are Hanopi for Obolagari. 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 Take this some waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Obolagari.
Die with the can't take by.
It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. Obolagari.
No, let me tell you something. When Punisher come and ask me you and Ned, wait to down and say, you like to sing about the boss? You like to sing about the boss? I sing a song, I never call his name. You alone name Gary? But let me show you something again here, boy. These way they are coming into the topic and all the way to now. All the way to now.
Yes, people, listen, Wakaman. And hear the truth, what does it do with the truth? Legalize gay in Trinidad, and Ian is the ranking number one of Bulaman. The number one of Bulaman, the number one of Bulaman. Ian is the man, I tell you, Ian is the man. They legalize gay in Trinidad, and Ian is the ranking the number one of Bulaman. The number one of Bulaman, the number one of Bulaman. Ian is the man, I tell you, Ian is the man. It's the truth they can't take from the waka.
With runs auto, you was driving the Range Rover. 25,000 from Mr. Das. And the old lady am crying and you're backing up that ass. They legalize gay in Trinidad. And Ian is ranking number one Bulaman. The number one Bulaman, the number one Bulaman. Ian is the man, I tell you, Ian is the man.
$1 million each from Han and all. Ian Alexander, you're making people ball. Take this on, man.
Yeah, what? I my quattro. That is I don't give a damn about none of them. Now back into the topic again. Now let me see wait here now. Bam, 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 bam. Look this here now. This man here, Ian Allen, the man calling you by. When I was calling all the boy when you was doing Baba Steve come, and Baba Steve admit the fact he know he's a crook. Because he say he pay money. He tell me that. Because I'm a friend now. All they end up the enemy. All they end up the enemy because he don't beg none of all you. He don't beg none of all you, boy. You come there, shine up yourself and talk. I'm not taking that from all you, boy. Everything has to come out in the open, boy. Your program, I letting you know the future for you. Like the end of you just now. That will be the end of you just now, because let me tell you why. It has too much program coming out. It has plenty program going to be better than you. Because you ain't crime much again. You have to be social development watch now, boy. Because you ain't going for the crime and them. You afraid. The man have to beg you. The man have to beg you, boy. The man have to beg you, boy. I tell you that, boy. How much people have to beg you for case, boy? I done with you now. Double murder. Watch it. Trouble. Mom has no home after Christmas. Murder. Where is the police? She can't go nowhere and she can't go there because the state witness get murdered the same way too. Police, where you come and talk, let the public come out. Public come out. Come out, public, and help we. Let me get some information. Because the police, them get all the money. 70 million for can. Them get all the money and still calling the public for information. When the public give them information, because the criminal, them know what's going on. Because the police, them go back and tell the criminal and them. It's a hand-to-hand thing, boy. The government call all you to bring all their money out, and the bandit them going and rob all you. And them could tell me the big stink FBI sandfly balls man come. 12-year-olds, your father dead. Well, you come down in Trinidad to get wood with the Obia. You have to go back in America because we bring down men better than you here. And you is there was no use in Canada. Waste of time. Them fellas on other programs. The truth, Johannes and everybody that locked on here. The problem in Trinidad, they don't want to get people to live in one house. To eat in one bowl and share. Everybody greedy. They greedy. And I don't want to hear about UNC and PNM. Two of them in millions of dollars by them go sing by. It is alleged by. And it's not alleged, it is a fact. I was right there. I was right there and not taking no part with nobody that robbing the government. And I see what happened in the past with plenty of people who didn't like me, you know. But I'm not coming to bash no UNC or no PNM. I'm coming to bash the people them to know the truth, Michael Brown. They don't want to know the truth. Look, I have it here with Michael Brown. Michael Brown, I put up a text, I copy it, and I put it up in my profile, bro. Female prison get attacked. Well, that's supposed to happen. Because she look like she wicked. Flood. What turn wrong and tell all you? That whole Trinidad, they are doing it very good. All enjoying it very good. Philip Edward Alexander. Pressure, boy. I know all them things, and if I talk in them, can't do me nothing. Because I know all we're going on. They went and take back the van, take back all the gold, and take all the money from Dole. I know everything. And the man voice note and tell me every single thing going on. But you might tell you what, it's Obia working right now. I come into the pipe bomb. The pipe bomb FBI man. Shit on FBI man. Let me come back here now and show you something here now. Shit on FBI man. Let me tell you something. If you really come down here to do something, Mr. FBI, right? You come down here to take Gary work, and Gary in America, he can't take the pressure. So let me tell you something. If you come down here to take your work, I want you to know that the pipe bomb where the man from Israel blow off the lady foot down in Port of Spain, all you just take the man and send him back in Israel, but I want him to come back down here. I want him back in Trinidad here to serve time in we country. Shit on by. Shit snake by. People from down here will go away, hire a man, come down here and put some bullet in your ass when they hold him back Israel. And caca holes in Trinidad. I done talking now. It's all to blame. But let me tell you why it's all to blame. Because all separate the country. PNM and UNC have to stop this fighting. Get out them. Get them out. New people. To start with. If any time that they come back here, they have to find a way to join. Mr. Ian Allen, I'm talking to you and I'm warning you. I'm telling you something. All them shit on way and all them lying ways. You're talking today about how family life. People, and I tell all them people are going to hang themselves through divorce by and through breakups by. Anton Pope, who with me here by, or don't afraid to text by, don't afraid to text the truth by, don't afraid to comment by, don't afraid to talk by. People fear Michael Brown, but Michael Brown, I tell them that. I tell them family life, because let me tell you what, I realize what God put me through, he put in the whole nation and through 10 times worse by. Because he know, look the gods them here, look they right here. Me I come to bubble earlier. The problem they have Capricorn for life. It plack. Kamla along the road here. Due respect to Madam Kamla. Rowley, due respect to all you. Lying. You claiming woman millions Kamla thief. And Kamla claiming woman millions all the thief. And it keep going in a tiger war. And they caca holes in Trinidad and Tobago. Only studying to. By Rowley this year. And look how much money you spend here. And then the PNN to look how much money UNC spend here. And look this happening here. And the PEP on the side trying their best. And they're jamming in the corner. Because I don't realize he has to get jammed. I don't realize he had to get jammed. He go get jammed all corners because why? Derek the Muslim man, the shitong Muslim man, the shitong Muslim them. Islam is the way of life they say. Islam is a peaceful religion. But the shitong Muslim with Delano and the Rasta with two Astas on them. The Astas on them, not the Rastas on them. The Astas on them. Them shit on them with a big long gun. But always shit snake by, always not Bajan by. You know who is a real Bajan? You know who is a real Bajan? Brian Lara. You know who is a real Bajan? Keyshawn Walcott. Them is bad man from Trinidad. Not them shitong Mavaro and shitong Vibes Cartel and shitong Tommy Lee and them shitong people who all coming. I just listen them, you know. Me a bash and I go listen one or two, you know. But I'm not promoting way 9 shots in a clip down the road here, I thief your chain and I call you on the block and say come for it and you can't come for it because your chain, dip chain and one amount of bullshit and the radio station playing that. I had to come for Boom Champion tonight. I am Smooth and I'm Boom Champion and I'm coming to show you the chutney where they're playing, where it is alleged big money they're paying in the radio station. And all you're going and chutney monarch, all you're going and sharing up the people thing and all you're didn't share the righteous man thing, by. All of them going personally and take up my song, go in the radio station and call and push my music for me, push me all over, spread my video like I'm going mad, spread it like wildfire. Let the people know the truth by everybody on shit on this country. They could say what they want, they on money. Even God know I know the truth too. I on money, but the money that I go be on is to survive and to help people by. No, all my words jamming all here. My words blowing all here. My words hot and all here. My words hot and all UNC. My word hot and all PNM, meaning the political motivated people getting wood. They're getting wood all corners. They have to hide from my life. They have to jump out my life. They have to hide. Children out there talking to all you, you know. All you treat all their parents good, eh? Good. It has some of them husband only going out there with their wife. And treating their wife good and giving their wife hundreds of things, doing anything for their wife. As their wife tap the finger here, husband gone. But when their mother call for something, their business. The mother ain't gonna toting all the bag, tired going up the road. And the husband, he and the wife, they must be gone to eat ice cream. Nastiness in Trinidad and Tobago. I don't give a damn about nobody. The problem in Trinidad is that it's a fucking talking by. Sorry to be like one cuss a cuss there. I start talking by. This next one only talking here. This next one talking up the road. So plack, Rowley thief. All of them is talk. Let me tell you what I tell you all to do. Stop talk now. Stop talk and go buy bread. Where is KFC? Where is Angostura? Where is them? Ian Allen, you go down the road and you call people. Call you go and give him money. Go in First Citizen and send money for Ian Allen for the flood victim. Not for the crime. Send it for the flood. Because the man begging him to come for the crime and he are going. And where the crime is, he's staying far. You hear nothing about my star, Keon. You could tell me that man family die. The man family die. And nobody here talk nothing by. It is alleged big money pay out there by. To keep that shoo by. To keep that shoo because I had why the investing? Where is the police them? Where is the police with them investigated case by? Where is the FBI by? Why Gary Griffith again stripped down and questioned by? Gary Griffith say that when a case come to him and he check the case and the case is worth nothing, he just doesn't take it up. So I want people to go and investigate that the real. What were they doing, man? Watch. Money. When you have money,
Before Whitney Chop Smooth. This is the biggest soca song right now in Trinidad and Tobago. Number 1 on the chutney charts, and it crossover to the urban. Artist, he goes by the name of Gian. Play the tune! Play the tune! Hey! Just squeeze it!
It is alleged on man song. It is alleged Mr. Smooth and all boom champion and all here it is alleged the same that all here is Bullaman. Now we're going and jam some spiritual prayers on them now. Trinidad and Tobago, all you can remember when all you remember when all the DJ getting drunk. All you can remember when reporters and things from radio station and things. All you watch going and happen to boom champion. I'm going and rest it down in the pot. I'm going and rest it down in the shit. And where is PNM? You see none of them ministers with the flood by. None of them ministers know with boat and with a little thing and a hamper. I more hard working than them. If they by and people stop talking now. Or let's stop buy bread, stop buy KFC, stop and don't go to work. Let everybody in this country come together and say, yeah, what? Let me take a week and shut down this whole country. Take a week and shut down this whole country. I bet you all the ministers run too. Let me decide to ban we belly and shut down this country. Don't buy this, don't buy that. KFC chicken going on rotten out. All the bread and them, all the stale, all the rum, shut down and buying air. Natural disaster we are bringing for the big hurricane coming on. People are putting my head on a block. I putting my head on a block, Trinidad and Tobago. I resting this head on a block that Trinidad going and get flattened down with a hurricane. The spirit talking and telling me that. They're going and get flattened down, flattened people and all the rich people and all to water ball. They go here, when they see the house and when they see things that go so, they go ball Trinidad and Tobago. Because we're not telling them that all here, look out Trinidad and Tobago. What I was telling them, I tell them, look out. You know what you're going to have? People going and rob people. And I tell the people going and running people's house before. And I keep repeating it to 3 months coming down. I keep repeating it on the program. Who they with me here talk, no afraid. All you know, all you go watch, all you know what I'm saying is true. When I tell you about family life, what all the man hang himself Ian Allen, you said 2 weeks the man wife leave, and people, when they were laughing at me by, and you are nasty Sharon Otto was laughing at me and telling me that kia. Yeah, what care she so she go talk about that. If she here, you know. Yeah. And he was laughing and say, oh, your wife break up and your wife leave you. And when I jam you and tell you how your wife and Malik saying how she getting threat, and it's not threat, it's a little toto them girl them want. I hear in all here. People all understand what I tell them. I don't care about them. Can't come around me, you know. I had the obia for them, you know. I had the spirit, you know. I had the zombie for them, you know. I know where I learn, you know. I know what's going on. And I tell them all here, they cannot be doing citizens this. The problem in here, Bill Gates are my life. The problem in Trinidad and Tobago, that is the problem. The problem is to now I have a big show going on in all them fellas and them. The big show going on with all them big artists. Wakaman is the only guy. Love all you. They see them 4 shows all they organizing. Love all you. I coming up in Guyana. And all they give me that support. America are begging all you by Trinidad people too nasty down here by. All the heads and radio stations them too nasty towards me by. America begging all by. Me begging all for no help now. I begging all because we have talent down here. I begging all because we need for the people that poor. We need to help the poor people them. And I is the man that bringing the truth to them. I is the man that bringing everything. I warn them people and I warn them by. I tell them stop what they doing. Don't listen now. Run through Facebook profile right. That me see what again higher. Right, watch. Didn't I tell all of that? Well, all of them see it already. Like, I was to come on a little earlier and talk. Eh? So the government working hand to hand with the bandit them by. The government tell you bring your around with them. Police around to serve to help all you. It's good. Depend on Gary Griffith and none of the police on them. Thank God for that. Thank God today that I never Michael Brown. Up to today, I never ask the police them and never depend on the police them for help. And I want no help from the police them. Thanks to the masters on them. I don't even want a friend from all by. You realize me want a friend from the police? All you can be my friend by. Police officer, all you can be my friend, all you too nasty all by. I have no respect for all by. Me a cussing all you know. But I like all you doing all the work by. All you doing all you can impress me. Whatever small all you do like all you getting paid to do that. And then you're calling the citizens telling me that it's an 8 gun in a bush. You see the 8 gun go and take it up and hold nobody. But you supposed to spend a whole week there and wait till they come and pick it up. People, stop spending your money. Or let's stop. Nothing for Christmas, nothing for New Year's and thing. Don't buy nothing by. Trinidad, all you hold all their money and change it and don't buy no shop, no way. Don't hit them back a shot by. Lock down this country, not with protest and not with no badge and thing. You know. Stop shopping and don't go to work. Don't make up all your mind by. Make up all their mind for a month by. And you see the ministers them, they go carry him run parliament. All they making up all their mind so much that it's like not current in the country to and water. All they make up all their mind strong. Make up all their mind strong. Save up. And just like how the government is have money and them save up and them have water and them have everything. And if there's anything wrong, them have everything. Trinidad, all they save up all the thing and then come and shut the country down. Not with badges and thing. Don't go to work, don't do this, and jam them back. Don't buy bread, don't buy KFC, no rum, and don't support them by because they're not supporting when something wrong to the country by. Where is B-Mobile? Giving all the artists them shit snake song. Shit on song. Nothing good. But this song can't play. But this can't play. This can't play.
Politician are we going mad? Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting and the poor people just keep suffering. Politician are we going mad? Look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician are we going mad? Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting and the government talk about winning. Politician are we going mad?
48789.
Tax people money only wasting and the government.
Ah, more facts on the wait, hold like a jam in them.
I miss a fake one, race, kidnapping, murder. Get out the face.
No roads, no water. The was grooming, but the pitch rate missing. 1% media pushing an agenda. Failed state companies paying huge salaries. Gas going up when will the hard shit stop? Rich in birth, laughing at we. No riot yet. Yes, we should be in history. But they saying that the treasury empty. Who thief more from all are we? The PNM or the UNC? Keep the faith and time will tell. No more racial voting, let them burn. UNC ministers, all they frightened, all they can't query nothing, all they have cocoa in the sun, all they bottom and tail between all their legs, all they frightened by.
Life sports gone with all we money. No one get charged. Minister too busy. If they're not ramping, you know they roaming.
Females reporter, you know they buy in. Hard-working PNM minister, playing with himself on camera. That is why no work can't be done. Where is the heritage children's life fund? Kamla bill, low income house, $1 million each. What a loss. New road bill, mash up already. Cost to friends and family. The system was designed by thieves in parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. No one get charged, no matter how they steal. Divide us by race.
That is the deal.
Guyana, thank you. Spread it up in Guyana. I love Guyana. Trinidad nasty. The people nasty and the billions nasty and the heads nasty. It's only a very few people good. And yet later some of them on the Facebook here, they like me. They only watching tobacco. I know they like me. They are real boy. Some people are real out here boy.
Liketu, Zombie, Richmond Ferry, Sandal, Scandal, Corruption, Secrecy, Maxi get taxpayers' money, foreign health bill you see. Now tell me, Mr. Rowley, what about the poor in the country? Tourism dead, housing failure, healthcare don't care, education disaster, agriculture minister planting nothing,
Culture ministry discriminating, national insecurity, justice system killing we, 1% benefit from criminality, Kamla keep,
same party. Every ministry is a joke in the country. When will you open up your eyes and see things mad? Look how they
I sure we're singing by. The Facebooks had a malfunction. Last night I watching and by hey when I tell you no, I'm coming quick. Ministers, stop send. Right, stop spending your money. That's a smarter way to protest. No big protest. Imbut, I was hearing them. I want to talk about this, but I hear the Muslim man talk it and say it, that Imbut it is allegedly $0.5 million that they lost inside your house. We hope all of you could give account. UNC and PNM ministers. UNC and PNM ministers. Jamir Mohammed, bro. Jamming them. They're fighting me down. All on the radio. Them fellas getting the song pushing. I don't care. I have a program here cussing nobody. I talk. What is the right thing? Me a bashing nobody. I sell out love to everybody. I'm doing it very smart. I'm wooling them all corners by. $200,000. TT, 20,000 US, $0.5 million you are home, and people suffering in the country. Where's PNM? Where's Keith? Where's the PNM party? Where is the councillors? All the money all they spend in the election. Look the flood people down there and where all they buy. Very good. I gotta talk nothing about all you know. Me gotta tell nobody and open nobody mind from no government. How my money Rowley thief, how my money Kamla thief. If all they keep saying it so, we are reaching nowhere. I plack and talk. It's to find a way to join. Find a way to join back. And we have to find a way to open people's mind. Open people's mind from the both parties. Open them. It has some of them political motivated on the UNC side. I don't give a damn about them by. I don't give a damn about my friends them by doing the political thing by. I don't care for all their friendship by. If all they like this UNC and like this PNM and all they willing to dead for them, all they go and dead by. I willing to dead for God walk by. That way all they can't reach my distance by. That way some of all them man stupid for woman. All they stupid for woman and smart for man. You understand? All they go do anything for woman. But if all their parents and if all their thing and what all their dotish, I was watching and telling all of that. So the people who locked on here and played my friend and are jamming them with UNC and are jamming them with PNM. Play smart for woman and stupid for man. All you know who I'm talking about, straight up, all you know, it's falling straight in all the garden. All you too nasty boy. Politics were all you so. Because let me tell you why. Some of the UNC like the PNM boy. They like the PNM. They're jamming and you what? You know what they're jamming for? They were back UNC. So it's the same back, I don't give a damn. It's millions of dollars by millions. Rowanson and say to millions high in the house. I remember I should run auto high up in the air. I put my hand up in the air and I watch it and hundreds of thousands all over by millions in the office them or by Tim Gopi Singh office, millions. I have it recorded live in my program with the old man Das saying. He say, boy, I say what? He say millions of dollars coming in the office through UNC, boy. I say, eh? That's a big problem. Sit down around a table, put the money in the table, and let everybody yell a little bit. But no, Crime Watch Ian Allen, you want. Gary Gifford, you want. Police, all I want. This one, all I want. That one, all I want. I don't give a damn about none of all I buy. All you're too greedy. Shape. Put it on the table and get all your ass and sit down around the table and eat as one. Eat as one. Find that way. And if all you can't find that way, is more down. Simeon Somar is more down we going. More down we going. Anytime we can't find a way to join. Anytime UNC and PNM continue with their bullshit. Anytime they continue with their bullshit, anybody could say what they want. I preach it and I put my head on a block. Kill me dead. And I tell all you, something coming. I don't know if it could be a storm or the big water, but I keep telling all you the way how God programming this thing. He walking, the man hang himself, Ian Allen talking, and you saying, by problem with wife and the man, all be careful now. You know talking that when I was jamming here, boy, and you telling me about Ria. When you talk up in your mama asshole, when you come up in the base and Boise dead. But you realize I just on you too, and I still selling off there. I asking the people and them who locked on here, all they go down in First Citizens Bank, and Ian Allen put some money in Crime Watch for him to go and feed the people in the flood. I want everybody who locked on here, go in First Citizens Bank and send some money for Crime Watch. Send some money for the man. Right? People who locked on here, go and do advertisement on the program. Go and spend all their money. That man is a boss. Everybody who texting, he's a boss. Yes, I'm at that time. Where Gary Gifford day? Who is the first man talk about Gary Gifford and Winston Ragu and jamming all of them? Who is the man who jamming people and when they shit at the family and splatter away today? Throw all the blame on the FBI man. Pipe bomb. This, that. Next thing again. Anytime TNT air get flattened, cut out my head on a block. TNT look out, more coming. And if anytime nobody is feeling it, all you hold on soon it coming, all you gonna be feeling it. I'm feeling it by Baron. Anytime all you feel it, all you gonna be feeling it. Don't worry. Anytime all you gonna be feeling it. Yeah. Talk about how Glenn Ramana did a single cent as he joined UNC. Yes! Yes, hey! You get there! I ain't hearing you, boy! Them nasty people and them, they UNC and PNM political motivated. I know! I jamming them! Yes! And the AGC place there say, people, Trinidad people, a market here. I hear the old man say it. We have a way, we like to forget things. Trinidad have a way, they like to forget things. Yes! Glenn Ramada did not have a single cent. And when he joined, yes, Jack Water took it. Good one. Good one, you get there. Good one. Like it. All you Crime Watch Ian Allen, all you call him 294-4081, 290-4426. Call Crime Watch. And all you need to place some money in First Citizen Bank. And all you need to go and organize to get some hampers for the flood people, because B-Mobile, DigiCell, the most $1 million companies, them have to give Ravi B, they have to give Kess, they have to give Marshall Montano, they have to give all them fellas the money, right? That they give these singers the money to sing thing that not about this country, not politician are we going mad, not to put on the gun and the knife, to sing bullshit in the country. So, and White Oak and all them big companies, them have time with me. So all Ian Allen can't get money from them too. So the poor people and them, I asking them, go and place all their money there. And the next one was sponsored to his Kia. All you go and sponsor them. Go and join them and share them video. Go and share the next one who talking politics talk and talking about Rowley and about this and about you want to hear about the dollar bill and you want to do this and about the dollar bill here and about the dollar bill here and bullshit. Everybody know that already. Man with the glasses, Douglas man with the glasses, with my own friend them sharing. They wouldn't share my life. Share he. Right? So let's share and let you talk about PNM. Next time about UNC, and not one ass coming out of it. 2 more years, Kamla on one side and PNM on one side, and the same thing happening. It's good for we. And I know why it's good for we, because we keep only choosing. We keep choosing, and we are choosing the right thing, which is love, unity, and live as one family, round one table, and get them mothers them to join, but they can't join. They can't join. UNC don't want to join the PNM. And Ian Allen don't want to join to come into the crew. Because it's all kind of thing going on. So get them out. Get them out, by. Get everybody out, by. Get them out. Get them out, and somehow or the other, better be, if nobody don't want to choose nobody in the country, because let me tell you, Trinidad have a way in them. That if, let me just say, Philip Edward Alexander, he come and he's the one that's fighting, and he did. Trinidad people so nasty, they wouldn't give the man a chance. I and he have a little thing, you know. But that I mean to say X by Y. But they wouldn't give you a chance, or they wouldn't give a poor man a chance, they wouldn't even give me a chance. They wouldn't give nobody a chance. Because why? Nobody don't want to see nobody better than nobody. Nobody would like to see Wakaman is Prime Minister of this country. Nobody would like to see Yogesh Beer is Prime Minister of this country. Nobody would like to see certain people with your own friend and family, and certain people will never even like to see you be a minister or be somebody in this life. So think wise, you know. I don't want to be nobody. I want to be a human being. Yeah, moms? Government crooks and the police and everybody in one. That's what my brain keep telling me. The crook, the big crook, not the small crook, and them shit on crooks so small, them is shit snake. Them taking money from the big crook, and the big crook siding up with them and putting them underneath. The big crook and them will set it up in a way and make the small man take the rap. Like the young boy we bullying the man's wife, and he didn't know how to take it. You know, easy do it plat 2 can the man, say it is the 2 can, go and shoot the boy, so nothing come out tight when everybody here, wait now boy, it is the 2 man car boy. That's how brains and fellas working. UNC and PNM people, I want to talk to all you. I want to open up all your mind. UNC. PEP when I will come back and live. Alright, brother, me a querying about that. I am the query down and fight down Philip tonight. I and Philip have a little small thing. I don't zombie nobody who in Philip and thing. I different enough. But I and he have a mission, and if Philip in come and tell me your command is the truth, and you're really correct. When you lie and say you lie, that's why I vex with them about. He lie, and anytime a man can lie under certain circumstances, and when you're high so I watch you as a crook too. So don't vex with me, see me on tomorrow. Please don't vex with me. He good, he talk, he facts, okay. But he getting jammed by the next building. He getting jammed down the road so, and he have more jamming to get. Trust me, I tell him all in. And let me tell you why he getting jammed. Because he ain't no Mother Kali boy. Because he ain't know who is Lord Shiva boy. He ain't know who is Ogun Baba boy. You don't know who is Emmanuel Bones boy. Shit on direct, all you know is Allah boy. Allah is the greatest, that is God. But you need to join all. Allah doesn't want to hear from anybody just so. The original man who control everything to go to here to fast and pray. Because as you're praying to here, you can catch a fire. Like what happened to Ian Allen. You went by the man. When the man catch a fire, people wrong a table, sit down. And when they wrong the table doing prayer, the man catch a fire like how I talking to you. I catch a fire just once at the bun. Ian Allen go and camera up the place and say the man sacrifice the man. It's not that by when you're going long time in the tabernacle with Moses and Pharaoh and them Moses. And you go in the tabernacle, and you are the carrier man with rope. Here shot to come out. When you're pulling back out, you're pulling out cloth. They banned that in the Bible. They banned that book in the Bible. That's why I jammed them with a praise this morning. Watch the first video I do this morning about Christ now. Watch the first video I do about Christ. That from a certain supporters and them who going through problem, who feeling weak and need the power. Watch this video I do this morning. Next topic again. Kamla and Rowley and everybody only this one. TV, plaque. And Rowley this. Look how much money in TV. Look what you doing here. One amount of thing. Millions of things we gain every day. We're Rowley doing and nothing coming out of it. And that's a blasted plaque. It's good. And nothing going to come out. Keep plaque. And make all your program and let people view all your and get all your viewership and plaque all the place. I plack in, but I give in only God. I tell them only what to do to survive them thing. I tell them only I know what coming next, and I tell them only the next prediction that coming, and I keep telling them only more robberies. Just now, no water, no job, no food, so people had to kill each other. They had to fight each other. They had to rob each other. So I learn only know God, thank you I didn't have all my millions and I didn't have no money and I didn't get what you give me because they would have want to take it from me. Because I do have, all I have is my little small thing and my talent where I singing my little song and I jamming them in the chat and I jamming them in Facebook and not on the road walking again and like they want to see me go back there. Because if I was on the road walking and I was doing back what I was doing, everybody would be happy. So open up all your mind. Van, car, millions of dollars. We in TNT like to forget the past. And I tell them all we need. When I get in power, or I get the book of Enoch and that crack shot I have it inside me. Greater than Moses and holier than Moses. He ascended into heaven. He talk high-tech thing by. I is the man, the Fukushima tank. That is the end of the ocean. Nobody, BBC and Fox getting $1 million not to talk about the Fukushima tank. Only me and the Mohammed man away the man name by. David away the name. Only me and he stopped talking about the Fukushima tank. Well, I fed up talk about it. I talked with it 6 months straight. Nasty up the ocean. The Japan tank radiation. And the bus. And sending out millions of gallons of radiation down in the sea. And all the fish and them getting all how. The sea nasty up with plastic. A begging government. The government send maxi loads of UNC, maxi loads of PNM, bus loads of all kind of thing. Money in Jersey, money for rally, money for all about. And only I have money for God by. Only him have money to help me by. People you know why, well, Baba Steve come and tell me, he say boy, this one pass, GI come and check me, and he check me, he say, hey, GI say you go bring little thing for the temple, you go bring this, alright, good. All my chat, the artist friend and people who locked on here when I had my temple, how it is to be. How it is to be, all of them running from me by. I realized I the man that come to crack people ways by. They had to stay from me. The pipe bomb I talked about it already. I not complaining. I was joining. I stopped complaining and stopped proving about how much PNM bad, and I stopped proving how much UNC bad. Because the people then getting caught up with only coming every day and you and PNM this and the money that and PNM and oh God Rowley this and Rowley that and all Rowley this and Rowley that and here is the money. Next time over hammer and come 90 days to blah and right through every program is about what Rowley doing and no change. All the way Friday. After a local election, gas raise, health raise, flood come. This local election, my God, now tell me the last thing I write in the book to tell all you. That the reason why the flood come down in Sipari and coming down in the whole of Trinidad and jamming people is because the local election, God see that all the money that spent the people was hungry by. People was down in that rally day. People call me and tell me, they say, Wakai was down in Kamala rally and I'm hungry. You know? But I try my best to see what we're going to say about all the ways and I think I realize that. 3 people coming from UNC and say everything you say, man, I hope, man. He said, I just stop following you and thing, you know. He said, because you're jamming UNC, X by Y and thing. I say, yeah, but he say, you're correct. He said, between me and you, we keep only fighting each other. He said, because when I go in UNC, I have to hate a PNM person, boy. He said, when I hear somebody from PNM bad talking Kamala, I jump in them on Facebook and jamming them. And like, man, you're really correct and you really know what you're saying. And you really is a boss, and certain people keep calling me all the time. They're afraid to stand up. They're afraid to stand up. They're afraid to talk. They tell me back, man, they're afraid they're dead. They're afraid they get shoot. They're afraid that bike man pass out the road and all that. People in this country coward by. There's a set of fuck. A set of cowards by. So that's the last thing I want to tell you here. So I had to go. I fed up hearing too much of black and tax money, my ass, tax money going on, and tax and PNM and UNC and PNM and Rowley. All this strike. And all this stop by KFC, stop support the government, stop, do all well they do and interfere with money man business, interfere with the money man and them, hamper their business by interfering with their money and all talk done. All these murders going on, Gary Griffith, you run away and hiding. Hey, good night, man. How are you going? Give me like somebody in front of the table. Right now, Mr. Stop paint up the place and thing by. Right, I'm gonna go down here now. I go on there, people. Right, look at here. Michael Brown, big up, big up. I copy a text, Michael Brown, and I post it here because I don't know you is my friend. Here, the biggest problem in Trinidad and Tobago is most of the citizens are living in fear, afraid to stand up for their rights. We, the citizens, have to live by laws. Laws are rules. The government makes the law and enforce them knowing the fear of people. Not rejection, no protest because the fear of lockup and prosecution. Stop living in fear. The only person I fear is God, because fear the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. The people who are making the laws, breaking God's law. The people who making the law, they're breaking God's law. Not all rights are rights. Government must be able to know how to handle citizens' rights. Somebody? Yeah, what I say here? But except a man to upload the law, welcome to mental slavery, people. Welcome to mental slavery. Let me see the comments on them. Thanks to this person who comment. The people who commented, God bless all you. The people who support this page, the people who support me, may God bless them, Lord. This person who text, they are shame on me. Morin, Lisa David, Matters Wadalen. Thank you very much. All you shame on me and all you saying I'm mad. Thank you. That is good. That is very good. Don't let nobody fool. Let's stand up for God, boy. Let me see what going on here again now. People who text again, they, who comment. Right. I need water today. The water today. So I must say thanks to the people and them. You understand? I must say thanks. Now I going up for election, eh? I'm not election for what? Take care really going up for election, boy. I'm going on with me, boy. Right. I go on here now.
Merry Christmas. Canta, canta. Señora and señorita. Aisha. Say yes, man. This is Wakaman. And I wish you all.
So as I saying, Wakaman, you lie, you know? Them don't care. But God don't sleep. Laugh out of roti and pumpkin, good night. Hey, yes! Yes, girl, real flood. I get jammed with the flood today. That's why me come down. Yes, people. I going down for the girl. And I need to go down and I need some support down there. But yeah, me ask nobody for support. When I go down there, all they will come and bring all they bring. To help this family that need to build over this little house. We need a foundation for she. So that is my aim. My aim is to that family. That is my aim. If there's one thing for this year I want to do, is help that family get a foundation. And I'm going down by them. Thank you, darling. I go read all them. Rachi Thomas. See what she had to give. All I go on, right? So take a piece of the song, you know. They're really fighting me down, buddy. They're really fighting me down in the radio station. And I don't know, I stopped begging people to support me. I don't want nobody to support me. I don't realize what's going on. That's telling all you. Yeah, my own quattro plane. My own quattro plane.
she's something like a good
Terry Basdale. Amita Fabrada, Black Soul and Mount Strike Back. So thanks to all you, and I love all you, and all you go back and think and watch what I miss out here. I'm going to be bringing it back tomorrow. So I want to say love to you all and respect. But before I go, I want to play this Fire Woman. Right. I go on here with this now. Ladies, this is all here. Now. Love everybody. Abacana lady. All the Bacchanal ladies who love me. I'm a Bacchanal man, so I'm picking up all the Bacchanal ladies. Sarah, here. All the ladies them. Hey, Nikita Pollard, you the Bacchanal woman too. Text it, let me go. The Bacchanal man and the Bacchanal woman. Hey! All these fellas them who is Bacchanal. Terry Basdale, you the Bacchanal man. Yogesh Bey, you the Bacchanal man. Johan Nel, you and all two the Bacchanal man. Riasat, you the Bacchanal woman. So hey, from now on, hey, pull this song, Pikachu Kachi. Alright. Let me give a boy a song now, man. Yogesh Bey. Right, let me see if I get it here. I big up you guys, baby, the song, and I go on here now.
West Indian chutney music.
Pikachu kami, boy, the Pikachu kami. All they are going to remix the Gunman and She-Hole and tell the Bulla Man where he's singing. Because it is alleged, not it is alleged, it's a fact. He did with the Bulla Man. Gunman and She-Hole. Everybody again say, yeah, it's a Bulla Man, boy. You and all of them in the Boom Champion, boy. Boom Champion, it is alleged. The DJ and Boom Champion radio station, there's Bulla Man. They're back in the Bulla Man them. Guys, the name of the program from now on, I'm going to delete name over this page, the Bacchanal page. But they block me, you get me. I can't text nothing, I can't share nothing, I can't do nothing in the profile. Only do a live, and now and then I can post few things. They're jamming me, because I the man, boy. I the man that's bringing the The real facts, boy. The real facts. Love all you. Joyce McCarter, thank you. Thank you. And be brave for texting in behalf of God. Thank you, Ingrid. Thanks to everybody that being brave. Peter and everybody that locked on. I want to tell you that thank all very much for being brave. This is not about me. This is about standing up for God. So I want to say bless and good night to everybody. Bye-bye. All I done know, right? Yeah, man.